How to create Binance Web3 wallet. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video, and on today's video I'm going to show you how you can create Binance Web3 wallet. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch the Binance application and then tap on the yellow icon that you will get at the upper left corner of this interface. That will take you to another page, and there you will get Web3 wallet icon. So tap on that. Now before you proceed, you have to make sure that your account is verified. If not, simply verify your account with all the process and steps, and after verification is complete, then you will be able to access all the Binance services. Now once you tap on the Web3 wallet, there you will get create wallet button. So simply click on create wallet button from there. And after you do that, you have to enter the Google authenticated code and then the code that you will receive in your email for the security verification. So first of all, tap on Authenticator app, and there you have to put an code that you will get in your Google Authenticator. After you do that, simply tap on Submit. And then on the next step, you have to choose email, and then also there type in the 6-digit verification code that you will receive in your email. So check your email and then simply copy and paste the code right here. After you do that, simply tap on Submit and your Web3 wallet will become in Binance and you can use Web3 wallet. That's all for today's video, and I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.